In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit big picture mode on Steam. Let's dive right in and get you back to your regular Steam interface with just a few easy steps. Firstly, you'll want to ensure you have your Steam app open on your computer. It's often located on your desktop or in your applications folder, so go ahead and click on its icon to launch it. If you aren't already logged in, the next step is simply to click on the login button that you'll see on the main screen. It will prompt you to enter your credentials, specifically your account name and password, the ones you usually use to access your library and all the games you've got on Steam. Once you've filled in those details, click on the sign in button. This action will securely log you into your account. After you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Steam homepage. This is the main dashboard where you see all your games, notifications and updates. It's from here that we can transition into exiting big picture mode. Direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see a menu bar. Among these options, look for the tab titled View. Click on it, which will reveal a drop-down menu of several options. One of these will be Big Picture Mode, which is what we need to click on next. Big Picture Mode is designed to provide a unified interface for gaming on big screens. So if you're on your TV or using a controller, this interface can work well, but if you're done with that and ready to head back to the standard layout, keep following along. Having entered big picture mode, you'll notice the interface change to something that's more controller friendly, with larger icons and easier navigation. What you need to do now is navigate to the menu option. This is usually represented by familiar icons like a gear or some lines in the corner. Select this to open up more settings and options. From the menu, look for and select the power option. This is where you'll typically go when you're trying to log out, restart, or generally manage the state of your Steam client. You'll find a list of options related to your Steam session under this section. Here you should see the choice to exit big picture mode. Clicking this will smoothly transition you back to the normal Steam interface, where you can navigate your library and other features with the more traditional mouse and keyboard setup. And there you have it. You're now out of big picture mode and back to the regular Steam setup. This process is straightforward once you know the way, and now you can switch between modes with ease depending on how you want to experience your games. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.